Here we have the building site where we're having all the walls rendered, having the carport put in. There's a roof bar sitting here ready to go on. So before the workmen arrive, all this back wall that you can see right the way down that corner to the far corner, that's going to be rendered like that wall there. So all this needs to be rendered, all this needs to be rendered. The roof needs to go on, so now all the steel work's in, the base is all done. Now the roof's going on. They started rendering the front, as you can see. The outside's already done, so it's just the inside now. So the roof's starting to go on. Put the tech screws in, so they'll soon, this is their scaffolding. That adheres to all health and safety standards. And they rendered this side of the wall, so now where the outside is white, they use a finishing plaster. So once this is dry, they then put a finishing plaster which will be white to go on there. But this now, they've just started rendering this wall, so that they're chiseling off the bits of concrete that stand out, and then that whole wall will be rendered. So yeah, not long now, going to look quite nice. And then the next job is there'll be concreting this to the end of where the carport is, so when you drive in you've got concrete to drive onto, so it will come in line with the driveway here. So from the edge of this drive, which is here, going out down there to the end of the carport base, so they concrete all that. And then eventually we'll get all this wall rendered too, in a while. So yeah, we have other jobs in for that. So we've got the main part of the garden's going to be dug and excavated and dug out for a pool. So that's the next big job that's coming up. So hopefully by the time I get my sidecar from a bike that's being made now and my car, they'll all go in here. Okay, I'll speak to you again soon. Here we are again later in the afternoon, and now we're getting a lot more of the roof on. As you can see, they've done the front full length, and now they're just starting to do the back section. So there's the guys, they're all here, some up on the roof. So hopefully it should all be done in the next couple of hours. That's your roof on. Lovely jubbly. Morning, here we have the carport, it's all finished now. So they've done all the steel works, all painted, the roof's all on, everything's done. Now the guys are rendering the walls behind, and we're getting a finishing coat on the wall that they've rendered at the front. Obviously you can see it going into white, but made a great job of this.
That's him. Look what he put in our gate.
Huh?
You think that's strong enough?
Yeah.
Alright. See? Careful. Nananay buho. So silicone, and that is just a plastic one. We bought that was supposed to be white, and then he painted black with gold color. So it looks like an old one now. Just like old. Put more, Han. That's the one. It's really hot. Put silicone around it. Finish window as well. And also on the other side. Finally they're done. Look how it looks like. There you go. That's the one.
This is a look from outside now. You can see the finishing plaster on the walls here. Outside, that's what they're doing to the inside. And the Greek hands are up. So, you see it's like a bit of a building site at the moment. But the carport's all done and finished. Looks great.